Okay, trying this now. Hello YouTubers, Bargle here. The first of what I hope will be a series of videos about me working on stuff in my shop. Today, I'm working on cleaning up this Craftsman bench vise that I recently acquired. My bench here has one vise located at one end and one face vise, that is, located at the right end, and an end vise located at the left end. While they're useful for many things, I've discovered over the years that I would like to have another face vise mounted over here closer. Let me zoom out just a bit. Out. Okay, well, come on. Right down here where that hole is. Here. That's it. But before I can mount it there, I'm going to have to get it cleaned up. I found this at a local auction. Getting it back in frame. Okay, I found this vise at a local auction. Managed to snag it for a whopping $5 bid. Overall, no, that doesn't seem to be damaged anywhere. It's just rusty. So today I'm going to be cleaning it up and repainting it, I hope, and getting it back into service. Alright, first let's just unscrew it and see what we got. A little clumsy. Okay. Turn the side around. As you can see, the faces have a fair amount of rust on them. Let me add a little light here. It's a bit dark. Well, that's not much help. Races have a fair amount of surface rust, but none of it looks terribly deep. So, just gonna be a case of taking the wire brush to it and trying to get it off. And that's what I'll get up to next. Clunk. Going to start with the easy one. That's the backing plate, and here we go. Let me see if I can't find a bit better angle for this.